Yeah, leave it is. Will, you might want to run yours in, Will.
All right, got Wesley going.
Will. Here, Will. Let him go under you.
Have to help him.
All right, y'all get out of the way. All right, get out of the way. Come on. I need to move this pole.
Move, Pete.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is the fall the best time to come to catch redfish?
Hey, let's have
We need to go ahead and book our
let's
trip
have
for
our
next
anniversary next fall.
Fall is always good for everything. The reason for that is spring, everything's
Working,
coming back
Wesley.
in the bait. But
Yes,
they're going to
sir.
be small, they're going to be skinny, not going to have no weight.
Yes, sir.
Time fall gets here, that build up time to put some weight on them.
Yes, sir.
They're big.
This has been fun. If he goes that way, guys, we're going to have to move. Y'all going to have to move.
What did they like in the winter?
Lord help.
She's going to show you places with you.
Just so you know, Wesley, that would have been mine now if he's bigger than what mine was. I've been nice to you all day.
Don't get tickled or make your hands weak.
You remember that one day when you got a little boy, you handed him that rod.
We got
Let's get out of the way. No, let me get out of the way.
that's all
Yeah,
Yeah.
you getting video?
We
of
got
it?
I'm
Yeah,
trying
if
to.
you step, I got the
Oh
video.
yeah.
right
Oh
there.
Lord, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. You recording it?
Yeah.
Whoa, who knocked that rod down there?
Me, I did. I hooked my foot on it.
It's a salmon.
Move, P. I can't
Let's
see.
see.
Get the salmon.
Hey Wesley, you want me to cut the line?
No, sir.
Oh, here's my. You said you did. Here's my pocket knife.
Oh,
Oh, that's a baby.
I could
I'll
probably
see me.
chew through it.
That's a good one.
Get him with. Oh heavens!
Might be a keeper, mightn't it?
It looks like it was going to be a keeper.
It's an R snapper.
Is that? No, that's a real.
What'd you think it was, Uncle Ed?
I was going to say that ain't no trout. No, that ain't no trout. You're gonna be close, ain't you?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, my
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
You're welcome, Will.
Thank you, Daddy.
There you go, boss man. I'm proud of you.
Look at why both our kids start shaking as
How
soon as
about
it's done.
that? That's awesome.
Look.
Oh,
Real, look.
Wesley Garner.
Why are you shaking?
So, Preston did the same thing when he
That
got
is
done. His
awesome.
arms were shaking.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
All right, you got to hold him up.
Yes, sir.
You know how to
One
do it?
hand on the
He's
tail.
got 2 spots on his tail.
One hand on his
Look,
deck.
they already got another one up there.
This is the bomb.
You got to be kidding.
Right here.
Yeah, grab him.
Daddy,
Grab
can you
him.
use mine and take a picture of him with this and let me use this so we won't be in.
Well, how did
That
he get
brain's
paralyzed?
I don't know. There's.
There we go.
There we go.
All right, face.
Whoa, turn this way.
There's some weirdo fishes.
All right, I'll come around back.
I think it's wild. That thing could probably swallow a leaf. Why do they call it a red? Red.
All right.
What's he going to be?
Red
29,
here.
28, 29?
Ooh, why'd you wipe blood on me?
Very nice, Wesley.
All right, let's put him down.
Told
Let's
you you
move
were gonna
him.
get
See
one.
how long
Wesley.
he is. 28, 29.
Cross our fingers.
No, he's a little too big.
Wesley
Do
can't
you?
cross
You
his
think
fingers
he's
and
too long?
fingers or
Oh,
not.
yeah. That's a good fish.
Wesley can't cross his
That's fun right there, boy.
Was it fun, Wesley?
28.
Nuh-uh. Can we keep him?
No. Was he 28?
29.
29. What I called it? I called it. 29. Give me some. Me,
Good
me
job.
Pete, and you. Excuse me just a minute.
No,
That's
it's
all right.
Will. Can y'all keep it? I mean,
Oh, I was right in the door. Oh, crap. We're no good. I'm sorry.